Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the time it takes to accelerate the vehicle from 0 to 101 kilometers per hour. The mass of the engine is 1,600 kilograms. The engine power rating is 76 kilowatts. Once we found the time, we want to give the reason whether it's reasonable or not. Step 1, draw your free body diagram. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a vehicle and the engine block weighs 1,600 kilograms. It's at rest, so it is 0 velocity right now. It accelerates to 101 kilometers per hour. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. We're trying to find time. They give us the mass, the power, and the speed. Once again, 1,600 kilograms for the mass of the engine block, 76 kilowatts for the power rating of the engine, 101 kilometers per hour for the speed. Step 3, find the time formula with the power relation. So since they give us power and we want to find time, that's the formula that we use. So it's work divided by power gives us time. Our next step is to find the work formula. In this case, work is the kinetic energy. So half mass multiplied by the change in velocity, squared, of course. Step 5, find the total work, plug and play. So half times 1,600 kilograms. We're going to convert our kilometers per hour to meters per second. So 101,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds. That's squared. Initial is 0 velocities because the vehicle is not moving. Velocity rather. Make sure you multiply the conversion factor to cancel out your units to get kilojoules. So the work is 629.69 kilojoules. Step 6, we can now backtrack and find the time. So before we find the time, we need to convert the power to kilojoules per second from kilowatts. It's just the one-to-one conversion. Okay, we do this so the units can cancel out and we're left with seconds. So work divided by power. So 629.69 kilojoules divided by 76 kilojoules per second. We get 8.29 seconds rounded up to the 2 decimal places. So based on the answer of 8.29 seconds, it is not realistic because there will be power losses and mechanical losses in different forms such as air drag, friction, rolling resistance, transmission losses. Okay, disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, just use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.